Hey everyone, I am Tranum.
And I am Pyanshu.
We are the students at CGC Sanjeri and we have got something absolutely mind-blowing to share with you.
That's right. Our robot uses ultrasonic sensors in the eyes, and in the mouth uses small display to print emojis and expressions, and in the hand uses 4 motors, and in the elbows and in legs uses 4 motors and 4 wheels to return backward and move forward.
And we are already working on a bigger project which will make it Wi-Fi enabled, which will make it more smarter.
It's the result of all teamwork, total 8 dedicated students.
And trust us, it's only the beginning. The future is here and it's being built right at CGC Sanjeri.